Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell shares on Trading 2 to 12. In this walkthrough, we will follow the on-screen flow exactly as shown, while adding helpful context so each action makes sense and you feel confident placing a sell order. Begin by opening your browser and going to the Trading 212 web app. If prompted, sign in so you land on the main dashboard. Give the page a moment to load fully, as some tools appear only after the platform initializes. At the top of the screen, click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From here, select the CFD section. The steps in this guide are demonstrated within the CFD interface, which is designed for trading with leverage and short selling. The layout and controls are familiar across account types, but in CFD, the sell button specifically places a sell order on the chosen instrument. Next, move to the search bar at the top right. Click into the field, then select the search option to focus the input. Start typing the name or ticker of the instrument you want to sell. You might see placeholder or sample entries in demonstrations, but in practice you would enter the exact instrument you hold or want to trade. When your instrument appears in the results, click it to open its detail page. On the instrument page, choose the sell action. In CFD, this places a sell order. If you already have a buy position, selling can close or reduce it. If you do not, selling opens a short position, aiming to benefit if the price declines. Check the instrument name, chart direction, and the bid and ask prices before proceeding. Enter the value for your trade. Depending on your setup, this can be the quantity, the monetary amount, or the order size. Review the estimated costs, the spread, and any margin impact displayed in the ticket so you understand how the order will execute. Now set limit and stop levels if you wish. A limit level can automatically take profit at a target price, while a stop can help cap losses if the market moves against you. Choose prices that reflect your plan and risk tolerance, and ensure they sit on the correct side of the current price for a sell order. When everything looks correct, click Place Sell Order. The platform will process your order and confirm it on screen. During market hours, market orders typically fill quickly. Outside market hours, the order may wait until trading resumes. That is it. You have successfully navigated to the CFD section, searched for your instrument, selected Sell, set your size and protections, and place the order with confidence.